Shopify Plus Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be reviewing the Shopify Plus Affiliate Program and sharing our experience using it. You'll find all the links to the program in the description below. If you're not familiar, Shopify Plus is an enterprise-level e-commerce platform that offers a range of advanced tools and features for businesses with high-volume sales. It's designed for growing brands and large enterprises who need a scalable, secure, and fully customizable platform to manage their online stores. The Shopify Plus Affiliate Program is an excellent way for affiliates in the e-commerce, business, and digital marketing sectors to earn commissions by referring clients to Shopify Plus. It's made for affiliates who have an audience that consists of large-scale retailers, e-commerce store owners, or business decision makers looking for a robust solution to handle their online store's complexities. With Shopify Plus, users get access to a host of premium features that go far beyond the basic Shopify plan, including unlimited bandwidth, advanced reporting tools, dedicated account support, and custom integrations. Shopify Plus is specifically built for businesses that are scaling rapidly or need enterprise-grade solutions to manage high traffic and high-volume transactions. It's a great fit for large retailers, B2B businesses, and brands that need a high-performance platform to drive success online. As for the affiliate program itself, the Shopify Plus Affiliate Program is very straightforward to get started with. After you sign up, you'll receive marketing materials, including banners, text links, and promotional assets to help you drive traffic and convert leads. The commission structure is highly competitive, with affiliates earning big-ticket payouts for each referral, given the premium pricing of the Shopify Plus platform. The long cookie window offered by Shopify Plus ensures that you have a good chance of getting credit for sales, even if the referral signs up days or weeks after clicking your link. Tracking and analytics are seamless, and Shopify provides affiliates with a dedicated support team to assist with any queries or needs. Overall, the Shopify Plus Affiliate Program is an excellent opportunity for affiliates who have a business-focused audience and want to promote a top-tier, enterprise-level e-commerce platform. With its advanced features, scalability, and high commissions, it's a great way to monetize your website or content while promoting a trusted platform in the e-commerce space. If you're interested, check the links in the description below to get started with the program.